government jobs.
To be the FAFSA web developer.
Yeah.
Yep.
And yet, they should be the best of the best because those websites get a lot of hits.
Now, if they could earn commission, that, you know?
Yeah, maybe something to that, yeah.
The loans.
Wait.
Like.
Yeah, no, I get it. Yeah. Well, there's also, like, calendar decision. And, like, because of my job, we have to plan pretty far in advance. Like, we got an offer today for something for next December.
Yeah.
So we are like, and I'll tell you, the schools are not looking at like, hey, when's the choir concert next December? And is my daughter going to get a solo?
And which night is she going to get a
And which
solo?
night is she going to, where they're not.
Yeah.
So we're like carving out, like you're a better planner than the school district that we're in. And certainly than the sports directors in not our schools, right? But just like
the state of California.
Yeah, like the state track meet changed. And you're like,
state. Yeah, and we were like, well, what? That really affects us. And then prom has been toggling between 2 weekends.
Hated toggling prom.
And you're like, and then, you know, grad night. And kind of a new thing is colleges have these summer preview weekends where you like go to the college for a weekend and you're like, well, which weekend is it?
Right.
You know, because you guys all pick the same one because suddenly our summer, you know, is in disarray. So